Hey, 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 Omar Ballard here. Another episode of Gardening and Grilling. Check out the garden. Today is June 5th. Everything's doing pretty good. Got the sweet peas getting ready to crawl up the trellis. Sweet pea flowers, that is. Got my eggplants in the nursery. Got my collard greens. They're almost ready to get put in the ground. Got my pumpkins. They're just crawling away. They're looking pretty good. Got the grill. Got a grill cover on there. If you have a grill, make sure you have a grill cover. Keep it away out of the elements. Partially popped up. Pak choy's doing good. I harvested my green onions, so they'll come back soon. Got the Armenian cucumbers starting to crawl. A couple more in the back. Oregano. So everything's doing pretty well. Mexican sunflowers doing well. Blue buttons are popped up. I just love these flowers. Produce an awesome violet color. Zinnias are about to go now. See, they're getting little flowers, buds. These are my violet poppies. They're almost ready to flower. Got some basil. This is tomato from our last year harvest. I didn't have to plant them. They popped up. They volunteered themselves. So I scooped them out the ground and put them in a pot. I'm going to get it to about 10 inches. Then I'm going to put it in the ground. These are cherry tomatoes. These are my Mad Hatter peppers. Green pepper in the back. This is my, I don't know what kind of pepper that is, but I got the seeds. That's my habaneros, my Scotch bonnets in the back. And these are my variety of garden beans. This year I put them up on a trellis so they won't be on the ground. Once they're on the ground, all kind of bugs and stuff eat them. So I figure, hey, let's trellis them up this year. So we're going to try to get them to go pretty high. I want them to get to about up there to the top of the fence. I was told that you can do it that way, so they're climbing just perfectly. So this trellis is about 3 foot now. I'm going to try to get it to 6 foot. Let's see if we can get 6 foot pea plants this year. They're already starting to produce some peas. See the peas in there. That's a pretty decent one. So everything's looking good. This year I used a combination of Blood Mill and Miracle-Gro as my fertilizer base, as well as trout, fish, which is a Native American trick, and a little eggshell waste. So, thank you for watching. This is Omar Ballard, grilling and fishing, or grilling and gardening. Thank you and have a good day.